After 116 years of service, the 32 original wood windows in Goffstown's handsome classical revival public library, which is a commanding presence on Goffstown's Main Street and a cornerstone of the community since 1909, are showing their age. But never fear, help is on the way. An LCHIP grant will be used to repair the historic windows, preserving the historic character, and improving energy efficiency in one of Goffstown's most beloved institutions. Interesting about this project, because of the broad public support for the library, which was demonstrated by a town appropriation and successful fundraising campaign, cleverly called Seal the Deal. You got it. Seal. The library now has all funds necessary to complete this important work. Congratulations to all.